Well, we're going to the beach, pretty much. So we're just gonna pack a bunch of snacks and all this weird stuff, and then we're gonna get ready.
We're getting ready first.
Yeah, we're gonna get ready first. So I'm gonna time lapse us getting ready, except not maybe the changing part, but after we have our bangs on. So yeah, we'll see.
Oh my god, I look so.
Okay, and we'll see you when we are done.
I need to plug my phone in.
In the pocket that my phone was in. Sure. Hold the camera though. You're just like looking down at your phone, just like, hey.
I know, because I need to tell my dad that I'm going to do the hand washes when I get home. And that we're leaving.
Her house is really nice on the outside. Oh, it's hot.
It is.
Hotty, hotty, hot.
I'm thankful that I brought ice and sunscreen.
Yes. What is like happened to the beach? I think we were there before. Was I there with that kid?
That? No.
Okay, then it's a different beach. I might have been there. Probably not. Like obviously should have been there, but I might have been there with her. I don't know.
I'll do the hand.
We're kind of on the side of the road right now, and we just put on hats and we just drink like all our water.
Because I was stupid. And
She took the wrong turn, so we're dying, and I'm sweating, and we're like dying.
yeah, can't wait to get to. Have you done with your water yet?
I need to drink the rest, but we'll see you guys when we're at the beach. Love to be guys.
Don't. One closest to me is like this.
Okay, Emily did tell me that I look ratchet because we just went swimming.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Emily still looks good, but I look ratchet.
Let me see.
Yeah, she's like checking herself out with the camera. So this beach is really nice. We're literally just eating lunch, just peanut butter sandwiches.
With marshmallows on it. My mom used to make them for me all the time when we went to the beach when I lived in Austin.
Yeah. And we just are drinking like Coke. Someone just died. So yeah. It was worth
Look at all the ice that I put in here. Also, if we can get 50 subscribers, we're gonna do a slime. Mega slime. We're gonna make slime. Okay?
on camera, like a mega slime. Before we do that, we're gonna do like a slime challenge. We're just gonna get like $30 to $40 to $50. I'm gonna see who can find like the biggest glue and stuff, and then make slime, like the best slime. So.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a 50 subscriber milestone because, you know. Your hair! Hold on. Hold on, wait, stop moving. It looks like a horn on the back of your head. Okay.
Go follow our Instagram. And stay positive. Love ya.